If you want to customize the lock screen on OnePlus 15R, first of all, we're gonna open settings. Next, in settings, we should be able to find home screen, lock screen, and style. Now in here, we can of course find all different themes. There we go. So you can of course start with that. You can choose one of these themes. You can choose whichever you like the most, but you can also tap on the current one and we can start customizing it. You can of course change the wallpaper. We can apply some style effects, like for example the blur. We can enlarge the wallpaper if that's possible, and we have some different effects that we can go for. There's also the depth option that allows you to hide the clock behind an object if the object is clearly detectable by the phone. So we can have this little effect. Besides that, we can tap on the clock, of course, in order to change some information in here or change the style of the clock. We can add some additional information. We can change the position of the clock a little bit. We can change the font, the width of the font of that clock, and also we have some color options that might be quite useful to adjust. And at the bottom left and bottom right corner, we have shortcuts of the lock screen. So here we can select the left and right shortcut that you can have when you are on the lock screen. Now, if you want to use a completely different clock, for example, then of course you should be able to start with that first. As you can see, we can have the clock on an even different position in here. We can use something like that, and in this case we have even more different styles that we can go for. So you can choose your favorite one and then go from there. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.